Yo guys, today, 10 impossible challenges no one ever dared to do. So stay tuned, it's gonna get insane. First challenge, tornado skydive. Yeah, I know I should have chosen chess, but here I am, falling into Mother Nature's washing machine. Let's go! Okay, setting up camp. It's colder than I thought down here. Eerie glow, right? Let's get this gear down. Woo! Ah! This is insane! Can you believe this? Woo!
I can't move. If I make a sound, it'll strike. So many of them in here.
Whoa, they're gaining on me. This is wild. Sixth challenge, forbidden fruit from an ancient jungle. Looks tasty, probably cursed, but YOLO, right? Eighth challenge now, singing on lava. Why do my feet smell like barbecue? This song is F-I-R-E, day, literally.
Tenth challenge, moat. Stealing an alien queen's egg. The walls are breathing. The egg is vibrating. This is peak bad idea.